Hi and welcome to the Yonderlust channel. You're here with me, Sharat Shankar. While I'm still out on the roads less traveled, and those videos will follow, this is a video which should hopefully help many of you ride the Twisties a lot better.
So the aim now is to do a little tutorial training video. I've found many of us art club riders especially, and the people I've ridden with, whenever they're new, the whole thing is the challenge is when to change gears, how often to change gears. I find some people doing almost a whole Ghat section in the same gear. So if you need more control on your bike, if you need to be able to ride it more effectively, and you need to have more confidence on the curves, then you need to learn gear control. So I'm just going to show you why even I might make mistakes, but the whole thing is to see how often gears need to be changed if you want to ride a certain section reasonably fast at least.
So here we go. And you all should be able to see the gear number, the gear I'm in the dashboard in front, right? Now, of course, one thing you all need to keep in mind that the gear changing would largely depend on one, the gear ratio of the bike itself. Second, the power of the bike, the power output, the torque. In each one of them would play a role in how you change the gears. This is keeping in mind a Royal Enfield Himalayan, which is a 411cc, has a comparatively higher lower end torque, has approximately 24 brake horsepower and 32 Newton meters of torque. Right, so that, keeping that in mind, of course, would the amount of gear changing and so on be applicable for other bikes as well? Yes. So gear changing is good. Would you need to change gears a lot of times to pick up the same speed? No. But should you drop a gear to be able to control the vehicle better? Yes. And I suddenly realized that my phone or my navigation device was actually covering half the dashboard. So now I think it becomes important also, along with the gear indicator, to also see the RPM meter and how you try and control the RPM meter to control the bike better. Of course, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for you all to see it the way I do, but try listening to the sound of the bike as well as looking at the RPM meter.
hope you all liked that little video and had some learnings. We can always discuss that in the comment section, or you can even share. Those who know me can contact me directly as well. I hope you saw the connection between the gear, the RPM meter and the curves. I tried to put the camera angles such that all were visible.
So hope you liked this little video demonstrating gear changing in the Twisties. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. A lot more videos coming up, and especially of my trip of the roads less traveled.